tiptoe down the shoreline where the fireflies wake. I hear the quiet hum of wishes drifting on the lake. Your silhouette is silver, drawn by constellations' hand. We're dancing in a daydream, only moonlit hearts understand. We fold our hopes like lanterns made of little scraps of light. Set them on the ripples, let them wander through the night. We sail paper boats on the moonlit lake, watch the stars fall soft in the trails they make. If the world feels heavy, love, don't be afraid. We'll flow where dreams don't break. Paper boats on the moonlit lake. The wind is telling secrets only old pines know about a pair of wanderers from many lives ago. Your laugh becomes a compass, pointing everywhere I roam. And somehow in your shadow, every place feels just like home. We stitch the sky together with a thread of midnight blue. Every quiet heartbeat sings a little me and you. We sail paper boats on the moonlit lake, watch the stars fall soft in the trails they make. If the world feels heavy, love, don't be afraid. We'll float where dreams don't break. Paper boats on the moonlit lake. And if the clouds roll in to hide the Milky Way, we'll carry lanterns in our pockets made from yesterday. No tide can steal the magic that our little hearts create. We'll just fold another dream and set it drifting on the lake. We sail paper boats on the moonlit lake, where the quiet night keeps the promises we make. Hold my hand, my stardust love, no